September we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me.
Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel in Bisaya and Belgium. Here I am, visiting to the house of my sister. So I love these flowers, it's so nice, they're so beautiful. Can you look that? So, oh my god, so beautiful. This one in the back of me, there. We visit them because we just after our wedding last Wednesday, so they did not come to our wedding because they are a little bit like so busy, and the way we invite to them is not so in time because we do it last minute. Because we just want it to be like a quiet wedding. We don't want that a lot of people and friends they will know. So even my family don't know. It's just rush. So I invited my sister last Monday only, and then Wednesday is our wedding. So they didn't have time to buy the clothes or to prepare. We even don't have time for ourselves to do it for the preparing our marriage. That's why we do it only a very simple. So everyone to our family, they are not prepared, so they did not come. So what we do only just go visiting for them for one by one if they have time. So then next time also we shall go to my other sister, but they were last Wednesday for us. My other sister, she was the witness, but she's still inviting us for August 2. Only this sister, our eldest, is far, so they don't have time to come to us. Beside of that, they don't like to travel so far, you know. It's like it's a little bit killjoy. So we're just the one who come here to visit because they don't have time by themselves. Oh, so nice, beautiful flowers. I really love it. Ako kasi hindi nabubuhayan ng mga flowers, ng mga plants. Namamatay sila. Hindi ako magaling. Tingnan mo naman yung kapatid ko, ang laki ng garden niya, oh. From there all the way there. So, matyaga yung sister ko at iba siya kaysa amin. Religious siya, pero kami hindi. Tatlo kong kapatid hindi. Pupunta na ako sa loob, guys. Hinto ko kasi yung isa ko, yung partner ko, hindi mahilig sa media. Bye bye.